Good day, everyone. Today we are starting a new series of past continuous, Unit 13, and I hope you all are doing really well. Let's continue with this section. Right now, this guy is sitting on a chair watching TV, and it's 6 o'clock as you can see on the clock. Earlier, at 4 o'clock, 2 hours before, he was not at home. He was at a sports club, he was swimming, and hence he was not watching TV. So it's 6 o'clock now, Paul is at home, he's watching TV, and all that is written here. At 3:30 he started swimming, at 4:30 he was swimming, and at 4:15 he's finished swimming. Using our helping verbs with ing, we are still talking about the past and the action that was being continued at that time comes by adding ing to your verb. That makes it past continuous. I repeat, the action that has been done in the past, but it was in progress at that point in time, even if that point is in past and right now it is something else. The time has moved on. If we talk about this scene, it's not 3:30 or 4 or 4:15, it's now 6 o'clock. So in the past, which the task was started, it's written here. You can see he started doing something, an action that was in continuum, which was being performed, it was being done, it was in progress. So we add ing with the verb like doing, watching, playing, swimming, living, right? So here we're talking about the starting, that he started, and when we add ed with the start verb, we make it past. And what did he start, right? He started what? That's an incomplete sentence, right? So to answer that, we, according to the scene, we are writing he started something, and obviously it's swimming according to the scene. He started swimming. After some time, he was swimming, and by 4:50 he had finished swimming. So of course, if we talk about ourselves, if this person is talking about himself, he's saying I was doing, okay, I was doing my homework, and I was watching TV, I was playing video game, I was swimming, I was living. Just that's enough. I was watching, right? I was sleeping. I was thinking about something. I was ruminating. I was writing. I was daydreaming. I was fixing my kettle. I was helping an elderly person or whatever, right? So he was, if we talk about the third person where we know the gender, if he's a male, he, if she's a female, then she, it for your neutral genders when you don't know the gender, and if it is a if it is an animal or a thing, right? And when we talk about plural, the helping verb changes to were. I was, he was, she was, it was singular. Were. We were doing. We were weightlifting. We were watching. You were watching Netflix. They were swimming, etc. etc. This is all positive. We were actually affirming that we were doing it, negating it. No, I wasn't doing my homework. I was playing video game. He wasn't watching TV. He was playing guitar. She wasn't lying when she told she scored a D in her exam. It wasn't sleeping. It was playing. If we talk about a dog, it was playing. Right? We were not. We were not writing, etc. Was I? Was I writing? Was I watching? Were I? Were you? Was he? I think with I use were. No, was I? Yes, it's correct. Was I playing? Was I swimming? Was I living? Was she? Eavesdrop? Like when someone is hearing our conversation. Were they backbitching about me, etc.? Were you? Were you noticing? How the game turned out to be? Yeah, etc. I woke up early yesterday. It was a beautiful morning. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. So look at the dogged phrases. They're talking about your past continuous. Yesterday she was wearing dark trousers. So what was she wearing? What is she wearing today? A skirt. We were living in Canada when? 2009. It was raining. So what did we do? We didn't go. I wasn't listening. If someone asks you, what did he say? You two people are talking to each other, and I ask you, what did he say? Let's say the lecturer. So I'm saying, I don't know, I wasn't listening. So what was he doing? I don't know, maybe he's daydreaming or something. What were you doing at 11:30 yesterday? Were you working? No, I was driving to my work. Yeah. Take care of how a verb changes in their continuous form. Am is ing. I'm working. I was working at 10:30 last night. You don't have to mention when you were doing it in the present form, but you have to mention when you were doing some action in the past, or you were not doing any action in the past at that particular time. So you have to tell at 3 o'clock. What were you doing at 3 o'clock? It wasn't raining when we went out. I was working at 10:30 last night. So when you're bringing up past, you tell about a particular incident. What were they doing at 3 o'clock yesterday? So Rachel, you can see yesterday talking about yesterday. So Rachel was at home watching TV. Jack and Kate were at the cinema. They were watching a film. Tom was driving his car. Tom was in his car. He was driving. Tracy was at the station. She was waiting for her train. Mr. and Mrs. Hall were in the park. They were walking. And you? Yesterday at 3 o'clock. Yesterday. Let me think for a moment. Yesterday. I was having my lunch, so I'm gonna write. And you? I was at my house. I was eating. I hope you can complete this. Yeah, so Sarah did a lot of things yesterday morning. Look at these pictures and complete the sentence. See, if you talk about at 7:15, she was eating her breakfast. And at 8 o'clock, she was reading newspaper. At 9:30, she was working. And last exercise of questioning, okay? And that will be it for today's section. Complete the questions. Yeah, so we have done a little bit. What were you doing at 2 o'clock? Was it raining when you got up? Yeah, why was someone driving so fast? So, a suit yesterday, no, a t-shirt and jeans. So we have to ask what was Tom wearing. Was Tom wearing a suit yesterday? No. I'm going to shopping. He was in. I saw Joe. What was he doing? Paused there. Wearing a jacket? No, he wasn't wearing it. Was he carrying a bag? He was wearing. He was carrying a bag. Did he go to the dentist? If he had, he wouldn't be eating. He wouldn't be having ice cream. He did not. Instead, he was eating an ice cream. He was not carrying an umbrella. Was he going to home? He was going. He was going shopping. Was he wearing a hat? He was wearing a hat. Did he ride a bicycle? No, he was not bicycle. Okay, that is it. Good night, everyone.